In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your projects in Gamma. If you're someone who frequently juggles multiple projects and wants a seamless way to duplicate and organize your content, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to ensure you've logged into your Gamma account. Gamma is a robust platform that helps you keep track of various projects in one convenient spot, making project management a breeze. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you'll see a list of all your saved projects. This main portal is your command center, offering a bird's eye view of your ongoing or completed work. Next, pick a project you would like to work with by simply clicking on it. Once inside your project, you're presented with a more detailed overview of the contained elements, which might include various pages, files, or pieces of content relevant to that specific project. Understanding this structure can significantly enhance the way you organize your workflows. Now let's say you need to duplicate an existing page within this project. On any page, locate the vertical ellipsis, commonly known as the menu or More Options icon. Clicking this icon reveals a list of actions you can perform on the page. It's designed as a simple yet powerful tool to extend your project management capabilities. From this options list, you'll select Duplicate Card. This step is especially useful if you need to make templated versions of your work without starting from scratch each time. A duplicate is a direct mirror of your original page, but allows you the flexibility to adjust your content while keeping the foundational elements intact. Once you've duplicated your card, you can take things a step further by opting to copy the entire page to another card. Simply go back to the vertical ellipsis icon on the duplicated page and click on it again. This flexibility is key if you want to integrate your work into different projects or share resources across various teams or topics. After clicking on the ellipsis, you'll find the Copy To option, which allows you to move your duplicated page to a different project. This is particularly useful if your workflow requires elements from one project to be repurposed in another. It's all about maximizing efficiency and minimizing redundant efforts. Finally, to complete this process, select another project to copy the page into. From the list of projects that appears, click on the one that needs the added content. This final action ties everything together, ensuring your projects are interconnected and up to date with the latest information. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage your pages and projects more effectively with Gamma. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.